Hey guys, I'm showing you this electric scrubber. So as you can see, this comes in a nice box. I'm just opening the box. So these have the manual, these three different attachments. This is the main electric scrubber with the extension rod. So this is the whole unboxing content. This is the charging port that you can use this USB-C to charge. So here it's charging. This is for the extension that you can use. So this extension can go up to 49 inches in total after using this full extension. So press this button and you can extend this. So attachment is pretty easy. You can just set in this socket and press it. Just take it out, just pull it out. So this is very easy to put in and use. This is the extension rod you can use. You can see the speed. There are two different speeds. So this is the quick start guide and the manual that will explain how to use this product. But the use is straightforward. Press the button and then you can use this. So I'm just trying to clean this bathtub. This is the dual speed. So as I said, this is the double speed or high speed one. So this will actually reduce your efforts to clean, and then as I mentioned, cleaning or the switching to the different brush is pretty straightforward. You can just use it, press the button, and this one is done. You can see like how effective is this, that you don't have to use, and this is the high speed one. And this is also the waterproof. So this is IPX7 waterproof, where you can put it in the water directly. So here, like in the water also, there's no use. You have to just close this charging spot as well, so that water will not go inside. So it's pretty very nice and very helpful electric scrubber.